Welcome back to Revolutionizing Healthcare. Today we are going to make beef chili using essential oils in the Instant Pot. Real quick guys, before we begin, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button. We usually put up at least one video a week and you do not want to miss out. Also, join our Facebook group where we have constant essential oil ideas posted every day. Ingredients we are going to need for this recipe are 1.5 to 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 chopped onion, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 15 to 16-ounce cans of kidney beans, drained, 1 cup of beef broth, 2 14.5-ounce cans of diced tomatoes, undrained, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, black pepper essential oil, 1 4.5-ounce can of diced green chilies, undrained, shredded cheese, sour cream, and sliced green onions. As always, when cooking or using essential oils internally, make sure you only use 100% certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils. If you're using a different type of essential oil, you do so at your own risk. You can find these oils in the description down below. Combine the beef, garlic, and onion and mix thoroughly. Turn Instant Pot to saute, normal, and wait for it to heat up. When hot, add the beef and onion and cook for 10 minutes or until browned. After browned, press cancel, add tomato sauce, beans, broth, tomatoes, chili powder, and the diced green chilies. 2 drops of black pepper essential oil, and then mix to combine. Secure the lid and set the pressure valve to pressure. Select pressure cook or manual, set to high pressure for 10 minutes. We are going to use a natural pressure release, which means that after the 10 minutes is up, we will let this cool off until the pressure valve releases. After pot has depressurized, open lid and transfer to a serving plate. Top with cheese, sour cream, and green onions, and enjoy. Guys, as always, please throw me some thumbs up if you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, that way you don't miss out on any of our weekly videos coming up. And remember, you can find the best ingredients and the best essential oils in the entire world at the best prices in the link down below. I will see you next week on Revolutionizing Healthcare.